everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going fabric shopping at this place downtown Chicago called Textile Warehouse, I think it is, or Textile Outlet. Not totally sure, I don't remember, but this place is old. It is like 3 or 4 story building. There's no air and it's humid today and raining. And I don't know if there's heat. There has to be heat. There's no way there's not heat, but I know there's no air. So, it's wooden floors, very old, but if you sew or let's say you design costumes or you're looking to make a wedding dress, this place is the spot for you. They literally have everything you can think of. And I've also been told that a lot of the costume designers for the shows downtown, at the Schubert or the Playhouse, they go to this place to buy fabric to design costumes. It's seriously unique. What happens at the end, let's say you get a bunch of products, right? And you're like, hey, I want a lot price. So they have the price, and then depending on how much you buy, they'll offer you a lot price, which is cheaper than what you would pay per yard. So let's say you get 6 yards of something and say, I want a lot price. They'll discount it for you. The stuff is sort of organized. It used to not be organized at all. It was kind of just like a free-for-all, but they've done a lot of improvements to try to organize things over the years. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I hope I can film in there. I don't know if I can. It is privately owned. They are not open on Saturdays for religious reasons. But I really hope I can film in there. If not, I'll try to do some secret filming. And then according to plan, depending on how the time goes, we're going to go to this place called Manny's, which is counter service, deli, but it literally takes you back to the 50s. It is so cool. They're known for their corned beef sandwiches and pastrami sandwiches. They're literally that thick. I can't even eat half of one and I bring it home, and I have to bring the hubs one home because God forbid I go there and not bring him a Manny's sandwich. So hopefully we'll have time to go there. If not, we'll have to hit it up the next time. Okay, here's where we are going today. The Textile Discount Outlet. Totally didn't say it right. So here's their hours in case you're interested. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, they're closed. They do have some strange hours, so make sure you check the website. They also have an announcement here about some dates that they're closed and closing early for religious holidays. It is a Jewish family-owned business. I do know that from speaking to them, but literally, like I said, they have everything you can think of. They have expanded the website to be able to purchase items on the website. They did not have this before. It was very limited. It is still very limited, as you can see on the website, as far as what they have. Because I'm telling you, in person, it's literally like a mecca. It's insane what they have in person. So just to give you an idea of things they sell, it's not like what you're going to find at Joann Fabrics or Hobby Lobby or anything that sells fabric in a big box store. This is where you come for the unique, one-of-a-kind things. Or, because honestly, if you're just coming here to look for licensed character fabric, you're not going to find it. This is not the type of place. As you can see, this is upholstery. A lot of interior designers come here as well for their clients. Like I said, the website is very limited compared to what they have in person, but I'm super excited to come here. They have a FAQ section, and I can't wait to show this to you guys. I hope it's not too god-awful hot in there, but who knows? So with that being said, I'm waiting for my mother-in-law, Joan, who is an amazing seamstress, to pick me up, and then we're going to head on down to the city and check this place out. So I'll see you guys soon. This is exactly what I use for my keychains and my headbands. There's a teal, like a lavender, a blue, purple, apple green, and then emerald green. And this is what the back of it looks like. This is exactly what I use for my embroidery. I might have to pick up some because I'm dying over this. And then this is other embroidery vinyl that I use. This is the same red that you've seen me use on keychains, headbands. That's what the backing looks like. All this is vinyl. This is so much more than what you would find at like Joann Fabrics or Hobby Lobby. This is an entire wall of just vinyl. Look at all this, and it's a lot cheaper. It's $4.95 a yard. At Joann's, it's anywhere from $19.95 to $29.95 a yard. Yes, you can use a coupon, but it's still $10 a yard. So I'm gonna pick up some of this red because I can always use red. Now this backing I won't use because this will like get stuck in the machine. If you can see it, it's like got a felt backing. I won't use that. You need the solid backing like this, like what you use in marine grade vinyl. But for $4.95, definitely going to be grabbing some yardage. Okay, cutting table time. We made it enough time to go to Manny's. Like I said, this place is a deli-style cafeteria. They also have a bakery, and they're known for their corned beef sandwiches and pastrami. Okay, look at the size of this Reuben. Look how thick it is. And they have chladnik, which is cold beet soup or borscht. But look at this thickness. Look how deep this goes. This is why this is a $17 sandwich. Welcome back. I made it home from my day shopping at the textile discount outlet and going to Yummy Manny's for lunch. What's this big old black bag you see over here? It's so heavy, legitimately. I have to lift it with two hands just to carry it. I got a bunch of vinyl at the warehouse. Let me show you. Don't mind all the crinkling, but I got white vinyl. This is like the best I can try to show as a haul. I got white glitter embroidery vinyl. This is gonna be a mess. It's gonna take up the whole desktop. I don't even know how much this bag weighs.
Stop whining.
It's red glitter. Don't mind the spot on there. It's just dirt that will come off. The nice part about the marine grade vinyl is that it washes off and no problem. I got orange, green, well, like an emerald green. And then I also bought, okay, now it can fall to the ground. Oh, 2 yards of red vinyl. 2 yards. Oh my God. I gotta find a way to store this so it's not all crinkled up. 2 yards of black vinyl. And then I bought these tassels for $5 per bag. There might be like, I don't know how much in there. And then I got this spool of ribbon. I don't know how much is on there, but there's quite a bit. And it was $2 for the whole spool because I was just at a craft show and somebody asked me about sunflowers. And I don't have anything with sunflowers on it. So this is, oh no, my computer screen is freaking out because I have all this weight on it. Oh no. Hopefully nothing bad just happened. I don't know what's going on. So this, you can see this a little better than when I was at the outlet. Like the colors weren't showing up very well there, but like this is a true orange glitter. And then this is a true red glitter. So I'm very happy with my purchases. I got this for less than what I would normally pay for things because at Joann Fabrics, for example, this is white marine grade vinyl embroidery. It's $19.95 a yard there. It can go up to $29.95 a yard, depending on the thickness and the brand you get. This was $4.95 a yard. Now the glitter vinyl was not. It's considered like their I don't know what's called. Not luxury, but I forgot what they called it. It was $12.95 a yard, so I got half a yard of each. But even so, I'm getting a better price buying it there than I do if I'm buying it from a wholesale group or one of my Facebook groups, or if I'm even using a coupon at Joann Fabrics. I got a better deal here. So I'm very happy with all my purchases today. I will be very busy making embroidery headbands and keychains and lip balm holders and little gifts. So if you're interested in seeing tutorials for those, leave me a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that notification and subscribe button so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And make sure you're following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram and Facebook. And it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye!